How to delete an Expedia account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Expedia account. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser, and on the browser on your device you want to search in for expedia.com. Now here you can see I'm on the official Expedia web page here. You want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now if you want it, you can do so on your application as well on the Expedia app. Now here I'll be showing on the browser, but the process is similar on the app as well. Once you're logged in, you want to tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen beside the suitcase icon. Simply tap on it, and you want to tap on the account options that you can see on the screen. Once you tap on account option, this will open up here. Now you want to scroll all the way down below here until you find the option settings. You can see the option settings under the reviews. You want to simply tap on settings option. Now once you tap on settings option, there you can see various options, and under account management below you can see a little option that delete account. If I just zoom in right here, you can see the delete account option. You want to simply tap on the delete account option that you can see right here, and here you'll have to select the option. Please let us know why you are leaving. I get too many emails or such, and you can simply select the option that you want to select, and you want to simply tap on submit. And once you do so, you'll be able to delete your Expedia account. So here you can see submit, and you'll have to tap on permanently delete account, and your account will be deleted. So this way you can permanently delete your Expedia account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.